Alright guys, I'm now at the Petaling Street. There's a famous James Bond 008 uncle selling the pancakes. Delicious guys. So the uncle has about 40 years experiences selling the peanut pancake, and he's very busy. He do this every day. Good business. Wow. You put the sauce on top. Gonna make a new pancake. And customers are coming.你好，这两个，这个花生那个椰子，像一个花生一个椰子，一样一个就3块钱啦。好好，谢谢你。我昨天来找你，没有看到你。没有，5点半就收档了。哦，好好。他们说你是 James Bond。哦，弟弟的。哦，我做了差不多40年了。哇，很久了。好好好。哦哦。嗯。Alright guys, this is famous coconut pancake at Petaling Street. Let's try it. Wow. Very tasty. Good. Right, guys, this is with a peanut pancake. Let's try it. Mm. I think I'm gonna order another one. It's really delicious. Look at that. Look at the peanut topping. The pancake is crispy, and every minute the uncle has customers. The uncle told me he was previously working in Singapore before he came to Malaysia, and he has a brother as well, and he speaks Cantonese. Very adorable to uncle. Let's see if you can hear me eating the pancake. Mm. So this next thing to try here is the king soya bean. Uh, one kind 250 ringgit, small bottle 350, big bottle 10. If you want to try the dessert with the soya bean, will be 280 for one cup, small bottle 380, and big bottle 11. There's even tofu hua, which is a bean curd. There's one bowl is 250 and one bowl is 320. There's a huge crowd. So I'm queuing now to buy one cup at 250. Oh, shit. Alright guys, we're trying the soybean now. It's a very hot day. Mm, very refreshing indeed. It's one cup is 250. As you guys see, there are many crowd